Today I'm going to show you how to replace a light bulb inside a microwave oven. So let's start. First, take out all the screws and remove the back cover. Make sure that the microwave plug is disconnected from the electrical outlet. The camera is not focusing very well here. I apologize for that. Now there are two small clips here holding the holder of the bulb. You just have to straighten the clips so that the holder will come out. As you can see, the holder is come out from the socket now. Just carefully take it out so that the bulb is accessible to remove. Just take out the bulb and take it with you in the market. Go to a good electrical shop because not all electrical shops will have this type of bulbs. So take it with you so that you can buy a replacement of. Once you get the new bulb, just put it back in the bulb holder. Put the bulb holder back into the socket and put the clips back. Now once you are done with that, just put the microwave cover back on and put the screws. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any queries, leave a comment below. Till then, bye and take care.